AutoFILL is a universal resin management system designed to keep your resin 3D printer topped up with resin so you never run out of resin again. AutoFILL comprises the main body with peristaltic pump and the sensor head, which sits in the printer, and the pins are submerged in resin, and it uses these pins to sense the level of resin in your printer. We draw from any size bottle or container using the peristaltic pump, which feeds directly into the printer via the sensor head. You can control the flow of resin to or from the vat using the rocker switch on the top. Holding down puts you in manual fill mode, and resin is pumped into the vat, and holding back is manual empty mode, which draws resin from the vat back into the bulk storage. AutoFILL has a number of automatic modes. AutoFILL mode uses the pins to keep the printer topped up with resin. AutoCycle fills and empties the vat to keep the resin uniform, and Auto Empty is to empty the vat of any resin for cleaning. Putting the device into AutoFILL mode, we see that when the pins are exposed and no longer submerged in resin, that we will begin pumping resin out of the bulk storage and into the vat to keep it topped up during printing. When we have filled the vat with resin, you'll see the pins will become submerged again and the device will stop pumping. Going into the settings, brightness slider, volume slider for alerts, and various configurable settings for each of the different modes. We have also included a few different safety features to make sure that we never accidentally pump resin onto the floor, making a mess. So when the sensor becomes disconnected, or in the event that the sensor becomes disconnected, an alert will sound and the device will automatically go back into manual mode. Plugging the sensor back in, you'll see that we have control again.